Hi, this is lesson 152, and this is should be on a Monday, and it's writing with phonics. On this day, we have a two-sided paper, and the front of it is a graded test. So I really want you to be very careful with these. Always be careful with them. So let's look at this first. It says Shep will run fast. That must be Shep. So I'm going to show you how the S, mostly the capitals, because we've practiced the lowercase a lot, but the capitals we haven't done a whole lot yet. So remember that you start a capital letter S below the top line so that you can go up to the top line. And you're going up and around and switch right at the dotted line and go back down to the bottom line and like that. So make sure it touches the top line and the bottom line. Okay, the next letter is an H. And that is, I'm going to go down here because that's on this line. You start at the top line and make it nice and straight down to the bottom line. Oops, mine's squiggly. And do a second line down to the bottom line. And then go across the dotted line, nice and carefully. Now that's the capital H. Now I notice on this line there is another capital letter. Well, that's because this is a name. His name is John. He is glad to see John. I guess Shep is glad to see his little boy. So let's do the letter J. I'm going to show you the whole word or name. Here we go. Start at the top line, go down to almost the bottom line, and then curve and go back up. So it should touch the top line and the bottom line. Do not go in the basement because this is a capital and it doesn't like the spiders down there. So the O in John is a clock letter. So you start down below the dotted line and you go up, touch the dotted line, bottom line, and back to the beginning. Very good. And the next letter is an N, and we're going to go down. Start at the dotted line, go down, up, and over, and back down. There you go. So that is it for that side. Be very careful with it. But we have, on this side, we have a couple of capitals. I'm going to show you those too. So mom starts with an M, so we're going to go down. And then we go down again, up, and then back down again. Mine's a little skinny, but that's okay. And then J. We just did the J for John. So it's down, and just as you get to the bottom line, you make a hook. Make sure you make it all one string here. Even though it curves, it's still all one string. It doesn't need a dot up here because it is a capital, and capitals don't have a dot on it. Okay, and so do both sides very, very carefully, and that will be it for the day, or for our writing lesson for the day. We will be doing other lessons. I'm going to go right on to our letters and sounds lesson. Okay, see you later. Bye-bye.